Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Facebook videos to your gallery, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to save or download Facebook videos to your gallery, the first step is to open your Facebook. After you opened your Facebook, next, go and find the video that you want to download. Let's say this is the video that you want to download, for example. So now that you're on the video that you want to download, what I want you to do next is tap the video. And after that, go and tap the share button. And then swipe to the right until you find the copy link button. Once you've found it, go and tap it. Now that you've copied the link of the video, we will now proceed to the next step. So for the next step, what I want you to do is open your Google Chrome. And once you've opened your Google Chrome, now search for this. And after searching, you will be directed to this website. This is where we will download the video. So to download the video, all you need to do is simple. You just need to paste the link that you've copied earlier right here. So to paste the link, you can tap this. And here is the link of the video. It is now pasted. So now that you've pasted the link, you can now tap this. Then just wait for the process. And here's the video, guys. You can now select the quality that you want to download. Once you've decided the quality that you want for the video, you can now tap download to download the video. And after that, your download will now start. Now just wait for it to finish. And there you go, video downloaded successfully. Now let's check it on my gallery. And there you go, here's the video, guys. We've successfully saved it on gallery. As you can see, the video is working without any problems. And so that's just how you save Facebook videos to your gallery, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all, guys. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.